Welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Tuesday, May 7th, 8:07 p.m. here in the Arizona desert. So it's not Bitcoin Daily View in the morning today. It's Bitcoin Daily View in the evening. We'll try to get these in the morning or the afternoon, but we will have them daily. And sometimes a look in the evening actually sets you up for the next day, even better than any other time. So BitcoinDailyView.com got more for you there. Looking at FinViz, definitely the markets were tumultuous. What that word is. They were crazy today. So Dow closed a little bit up, NASDAQ down, S&P 500 just barely up, Russell 2000 just barely up. It was a crazy day in the market for the big indexes. Looking at the S&P 500, you can see that, well, some companies did okay. Definitely Tesla was down 3.7%. Google was up, Nvidia down, Microsoft down, entertainment. Who's Disney? Well, Disney took a big hit, almost 10%. Anyway, a bloodbath in the indexes today. Now, looking at crypto meter here, 9.2 billion in volume for Bitcoin trading today. That's 24 hours, down 10%. Definitely, we're heading into the middle of the week now, and volume is dropping. So interesting. All right. Seeing some nice big buys come in. A lot of buys under 1 million, but over 500,000. It looks kind of manual to me. I'm seeing like buys. I've been watching this today that looks sort of a little bit not just algorithmic, they could be, but also some hand buys too. So it just seems to me that someone's doing some buys expecting to have profitable longs. All right, looking at longs versus shorts, 61% long, 38% short for Bitcoin. For Ethereum, gosh, 79% long, 21% short. People really are bullish on Ethereum, that is. So Bitcoin, well, it's nice to see that 61% versus 38%. Definitely a little bit of a positivity along the longs. All right, looking at the top 20 exchanges for spot trading volume. I see them all in the red today. So definitely volume is not really happening this week. Looking at Bitcoin in the top 100, Bitcoin's coming in at 62,770. Not too shabby, but the top 100 alts all in the green except for, and in red, I mean, except for Athena, ENA, whatever that project is. I don't really know it, but in general, it's just not a happening day for the big indexes, for Bitcoin, for crypto in general. But let's keep going. All right. Looking at Bitcoin here in the daily chart. Now, as we have been watching, we are seeing a downwards channel. Okay. I think that's pretty easy to see on the daily. But we're also seeing something rather grand and interesting here, as we are seeing daily MACD has crossed positive, tangent is positive. It's down here below the heartbeat where it needs to be. It seems like Bitcoin has some energons and it wants to make a move. So I'm just wondering if we're going to see a nice breakout at some point this week. Boom, top of this channel will become the bottom of the next. Maybe we'll get out of this downwards energy here. And as some people do say, I mean, I have heard it that oops, sorry about that. That this is, some kind of a flag. I'm not really a shape trader to any great extent, but I do think, if you're in that kind of game, I know people would draw this as a bit of a flag pattern. I won't really try to do it because it's not really my thing. But you could kind of do one of those. I think like someone called this like a descending wedge, which do tend to break towards the positive side, and that's always how do I get this? Go away, idea screen. Okay. And that would equal, some of this. That would be nice. I could dig it. If you're long. So, when you look at the daily MACD, which I think definitely has a value here. And how the daily MACD is, has that positive turn. I mean, that I could see it. So maybe we are looking at kind of a, whatever you want to call that, a bull pennant, whatever, or above the 200 moving average in the 314 on the daily. It's a pretty darn positive chart. I like it. Looking at immediate price action, we'll get rid of that riff-raff drawing there. Immediate price action on the 45-minute chart. What's exciting about this extremely short, time frame here is that we did break above the 200 moving average in the 314, went sideways for a while, took a dump recently, last couple hours, but of course we're bouncing off the 200 with some wicks, and these indicators have been quite low for a while, and kind of in the red the squeeze, industrial index, ADX. Volume hasn't been too bad actually, but anyway, we're bouncing where we might just tend to have a positive some energons there. So it's just a hard moment to really figure things out. But I think that I do think that we might be seeing some positivity here in the market. Just give Bitcoin a little bit of time. I myself, beginning of the week, did a slight long position without leverage, just my weekly buy basically. But I added, a couple extra dollars to that, basically, figuring that we would see some green this week, some gains. So if we look here at the fib sequence on this recent energons here, look at that. We're making a perfect 382 bounce. I don't like trading in general in this entire range up here. It's just weak. It just tends to be. I like to get that .5 bounce or that 618 golden pocket bounce or that psycho 786 bounce, but it doesn't always happen. So anyway, we've got looking at some of the big numbers there, like looking at the daily and that daily MACD, etc. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling it. We might be seeing a bounce off the dot 382 and 200 here on the 45-minute chart. It would make sense. Let's look at a 4-hour chart and see how things look here. 4-hour chart, it's nice and clean actually. I like what I'm seeing. You can kind of see it nicely on a 4-hour chart. Definitely had some energy here. These purple candles are called purple candles by Sam. When you have the bodies lined up 3 or more in a row, they turn purple. 3 more bodies lining up going down is yellow. So boom, boom, we had some nice energy there. This really looks like a very, very clean, are we going to see a 382 bounce? I mean, it's looking good. Now, although on the 4-hour chart, do note what happened here. We had some nice, beautiful upwards energy, and we wicked above the 200, but we couldn't keep it. And now we're getting rejected. So let's see what happens. I don't know. Just hold tight. This is a really hard moment to read. It's kind of not even the best trading territory, but myself, like I say, my weekly buy of all dumbass days is on Monday. It really should be on Fridays. That's really the best day to actually, I think, buy. But anyway, I, for some reason, like to buy on Mondays, mainly because it's just automated and I forget to not. So I just do whatever. Anyway, 2-hour chart looking kind of nice. We're moving. We were in that 200. We were in between the 200 and the 314 for a while. Always a weak spot. We lost it, but we're beginning to recover. Let's look at a 2-hour chart here with the MACD. 2-hour MACD tends to tell you where you're going, and I definitely think we were in a weak ass spot on the 2-hour chart. Between the 200 and the 314 is just a weak ass place to be in any time frame. But with that said, looking here, the tangent is beginning to perk up a little bit. Maybe it needs to go, so I'm going to just watch this. We're below the heartbeat, which is nice. Definitely the 2-hour tends to tell you where the daily is going to go. Daily is kind of looking positive. If this guy gets a nice upward tangent, I think that you're going to wish you'd dollar cost averaged today if this happens. So anyway, I'm just watching. It's a hard chart to play right now. Looking at the big world out there, dollar strength index is in an upwards channel. Definitely had 3 green candles in a row last 3 days. So it seems like it's kind of on fire a little bit. It moving up like that is probably part of what's pushing the market down. Crude oil, U.S. oil is sideways right now, playing with previous support. We'll see if it bounces there. It's insane. If you follow the global news, this just cannot be. Like I say, if anyone knows how to get on like some crude oil like ETFs or something like that, like let me know. I just don't know how to play it, but I personally would be accumulating right now. That's just me if I knew how. So gold sideways, indecisive. We'll see what happens. Silver definitely sideways, indecisive. We'll see what happens. Both these guys, if DXY starts to dump, they'll move up. If DXY pumps, they'll probably dump. We'll see what happens. But in general, gold and silver, they have retraced a little bit since their insane run. So, if you are a stacker, yeah, you know what I mean? And you believe in gold and silver this year making moves, then maybe this isn't the worst time. Not financial advice, just saying. I myself, if I might head to the coin store this weekend and get a couple, stack a little bit. Just a little bit of world news. This one is crazy. And it's just something to think about. I just wanted to put it out there because some people don't always realize how damn nuts the world is right now. They're, they just have other things that they're focused on, and I understand. But the Trudeau regime or government, whatever you want to call it, has introduced an Orwellian new law called the Online Harms Bill Act, whatever, which will give the Popo the power to retroactively search the internet for hate speech violations and arrest offenders, even if the offense occurred before the law existed. This new bill is friggin' nuts. Anyway, it's just, and then of course it's like, hey Trudeau, yo bro, check it out. There you go. I guess you're busted. The Wayback Machine will remember that one. Anyway, because maybe they can also not only go back and search for hate speech, but also it's a rules-based world order. It's not a law-based world order. So since the rules could change on what hate speech is, and well, if this becomes hate speech, I'll tell you what, Trudeau, you're kind of pretty to go to jail. Anyway, just saying, I wanted to crap, I lost. Let me see if I can cruise down here and get it again. Oh my God, look at that. What a day. Sorry, I should have saved this. Oh my gosh. Oh, a mummy. Wait, no, wait. Hair. No, wait. Let's see if I can find it. Where'd it go? Crap. Oh, and an amazing image I wanted to share with you guys. Where is it? Oh, damn it. Well, you're getting a nice view of all my crazy crap that I like to look at. That's kind of it. But it's not exactly it. Is this it? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I totally blew it. I had the coolest Jimmy Page playing guitar image. But unfortunately, it is extremely gone, I'm afraid. So it's way down here in the feed. And I don't want to waste your time scrolling my Facebook feed, which is drastically boring. But it was such a good image. Just give it a couple scrolls here. Are we going to see it? Can we see it? That's not it. Where is it? Come on. Of course, if you're, I won't feel bad if you click off right now. But darn it, it was the best Jimmy Page image. I have to remember to maximize it. No, that's not it. It just shows that he has European teeth, even if he was a great guitar player. Come on. Where is it? I think we're out of luck. I don't want to scroll forever and hold you guys up. You got better things to do. I know it. Hello there, Metallica. Led Zeppelin again. Where are you? I guess we're just out of luck. Sorry, I don't want to scroll forever. You're probably already completely tired of it. Who cares? It was a great image. You know what? I'll just find it later. Actually, that was a great World War II pilot. If you don't mind him being German, he was a cool guy. Well, actually, he was a terrible fascist in a way, but he was a great fighter pilot. Come on, where is it? Oh well, sorry guys, hate to waste your time. I'll just scroll for you a little bit here for a minute. Come on. Where is it? It was the coolest damn image ever. Anyway, I guess we're just not going to find it. Sorry. Oh wow. Back in the day, who says brutality wasn't in style? Anyway, let's see. Come on. Oh, damn it. All right, guys, I will let you go because obviously we're not meant to see the coolest Jimmy Page image ever. Playing guitar in front of a stadium. It was absolutely freaking wild. It was great. Anyway, I'll find it for next time. And everybody, you take care. And I'll try to get these out earlier. Thanks for being a Bitcoin truth seeker. You're making the world a better place, whether you know it or not. Wait, is that it? You know what? That's not. Oh, crap. It went away. Anyway, guys, I'll see you next time.